Welcome to my channel Travel Guide Flying Delta in 2025. Here's how to check in fast. Flying with Delta Airlines in 2025. This step-by-step guide covers everything you need to know about Delta's check-in process, including online check-in, mobile app options, airport kiosk check-in, counter check-in, and curbside services. Whether you're a first-time flyer or frequent traveler, we'll help you check in quickly and avoid delays. Online check-in via website. Delta allows passengers to check in online starting 24 hours before departure, ending 60 minutes prior for domestic flights and 1 hour for international flights. Visit delta.com, select Check-in from the header or go to My Trips, and enter your confirmation number, SkyMiles number, or credit card number used for booking. You can select seats, add baggage, and receive a digital or printable boarding pass, streamlining the airport experience. Mobile app check-in. The Fly Delta app, available on iOS and Android, offers a seamless check-in experience. After downloading, log in with your SkyMiles account or as a guest, then add your trip using the confirmation number. The app automatically checks you in 24 hours before departure if logged in, providing a digital boarding pass accessible via Apple Wallet or Google Pay. It also allows seat selection, baggage tracking, and flight status updates. Airport kiosk check-in. For those preferring in-person options, Delta's self-service kiosks at airports are available from 30 minutes to 4 hours before domestic flights and up to 6 hours for international ones. Enter your SkyMiles number, confirmation number, or scan your passport to check in, print boarding passes, and bag tags. Kiosks also allow seat changes, baggage fee payments, and service requests, ideal for travelers needing quick solutions. Counter check-in. Delta's airport check-in counters cater to passengers needing assistance, such as those with special needs, pets, or unaccompanied minors. Arrive at least 2 hours before domestic flights or 3 hours for international ones. Present a government-issued ID, passport for international travel, and booking details. Counters are open 30 minutes to 4 hours before departure, with staff available for personalized support. Curbside check-in. Available at select U.S. airports like Atlanta and Los Angeles, curbside check-in allows passengers to check bags directly after exiting their vehicle. This option, open 30 minutes to 4 hours before departure, is convenient for those with luggage but not suitable for oversized baggage, which must be checked at designated areas inside the terminal. Check-in deadlines. Delta enforces strict check-in deadlines to ensure smooth operations. For domestic flights, check-in must be completed 30 minutes before departure, with baggage checked at least 45 minutes prior. International flights require check-in 1 hour before departure, with a recommended arrival 3 hours early. Missing these deadlines may result in seat reassignment or missing the flight. Required documentation. A government-issued photo ID is mandatory for all passengers. International travelers need a valid passport and, if required, a visa. Delta's Fly Ready program allows international passengers to upload travel documents in advance via the Fly Delta app or website, reducing airport verification time. Ensure your profile matches your ID exactly to avoid delays. Sky Priority benefits. SkyMiles Medallion members, Gold, Platinum, Diamond, Delta One, Delta Premium Select, and first-class passengers enjoy Sky Priority, which includes expedited check-in, security, and boarding. Dedicated check-in desks and priority security lanes at select airports, e.g., Atlanta, Los Angeles, reduce wait times, enhancing the travel experience for eligible passengers. Baggage check and fees. Passengers can add bags during online, app, or kiosk check-in, but must drop them at the airport bag drop counter. Domestic flights require bag check in 45 minutes before departure, international flights, 1 hour. Fees apply. $35 for the first bag, $45 for the second in main cabin domestically, with SkyMiles members potentially earning 2,500 bonus miles if bags take over 20 minutes to reach baggage claim. Special considerations. Travelers with special needs, such as those requiring wheelchair assistance or traveling with pets, should opt for counter check-in and arrive early, 1 hour before standard check-in times. Unaccompanied minors need additional documentation and counter assistance. Delta's familiarization tours at hubs like Atlanta and Minneapolis help families with disabilities prepare for the check-in and travel process. Delta's check-in process is designed for efficiency, with online and mobile options saving time, while airport kiosks, counters, and curbside services cater to diverse needs. Early check-in, 24 hours prior, secures better seats and reduces stress, especially for overbooked flights. The Fly Delta app is highly recommended for frequent travelers, offering a centralized hub for managing trips, boarding passes, and updates. Always verify flight status and carry required IDs to avoid complications. For further assistance, contact Delta at +1 800 221 1212 or visit delta.com. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.